All right, go again. Sorry about that. So we are constructing our constraints for this question here. All right, so our step one is to define our variables. So a transport company has two types of trucks, type A and type B. Type A has a refrigerated capacity of 20 metres cubed and a non-refrigerated capacity of 40 metres cubed, all right? So now we can see that type A and type B are what we're talking about because we're differentiating what capacity both of those have. So they're going to be our two variables. So X is going to be A and Y is going to be type B. As we are addressing the information in the question, we're going to cross it off. So I'm going to set this up as a bit of a table, all right? So type A, type B, we're going to go refrigerated, non-refrigerated here, just to put all this information in a bit of a table. Type A has a refrigerated capacity of 20 metres cubed, all right? So 20 metres cubed can go in there, and a non-refrigerated capacity of 40 metres cubed. So 40 metres cubed goes in there. I have just addressed all this here. All right? While type B has this overall same volume with equal sections for refrigerated and non-refrigerated. Okay, type A, it's giving you the total. All right, my total capacity in this truck is 60 metres cubed. All right, so 60 cube metres goes into here. So if this has an equal amount in both, then type B must have 30 metres cubed and 30 metres cubed. All right, so we're going to go from that. Type B has the overall same and non-refrigerated stock. A grocer needs to hire trucks for the transport of total. We're looking at total now. So the transport of 3,000 metres cubed of refrigerated stock. So we need a total column here. And this total column is going to have 3,000 metres cubed of refrigerated stock and 4,000 metres cubed of non-refrigerated stock. Once again, now all this is addressed, okay? The cost per kilometre of type A is 30 and type B is 40. How many trucks of each type should the grocer rent to achieve the minimum total cost? All right, so we're only constructing constraints here. So my first constraint is going to be 1, 2, and I need my objective function. So we have 20x plus 30y has to be greater than, because he needs 3,000 metres, 3,000 metres cubed, greater than 3,000, and we have 40x plus 30y has to be greater than or equal to 4,000. All right, there are your two constraints for this. The last thing you need to do is your objective function. Now your objective function is when you substitute your points in to find your ultimate solution. So my objective function is talking about this. It is about my cost, okay? So looking at my final cost there, we have type A is $30 and type B is $40. So my cost equals 30x plus 40y. And when I substitute in any of my values that I find from my graph, which I'm going to do next, that's where I substituted into that. So this is just looking at your constraints. You can do it in a table like this and set it up like that, with those two being your two equations there, or you can just do it from what it's saying, okay?